morning and welcome to another vlog. Today we are on a short trip after a long time, and this time we are going towards Odisha Mayurbhanj district. So you guess where we are going. As we drive along, we will update you. It is 5:15 in the morning and it will be around 4.5 hours drive. So let's see how we enjoy the drive, and please stay tuned to see this particular vlog. Finally we have crossed Kolkata and now I am following in NH6, and very soon we will be reaching Dhulaghat Toll Plaza, and it is 6 o'clock now. So let's see how fast we can proceed. We have reached Kolaghat by 6:40. So we took 1.5 hours, less than 1.5 hours actually, and we didn't stop anywhere. We will also not stop at Kolaghat. Somewhere we will stop and have some tea and snacks and then proceed. We'll try to reach our destination as quick as possible. Finally we have left Kolaghat and we spent some time for tea, and now we are heading to Bangliposhi straight away. So the roads are absolutely clear, and since it is Sunday, traffic is also quite less. So we think that we will be able to proceed very fast. So stay tuned friends for more videos. For Mumbai Road, as you can see, the right goes towards Balasore, and we have taken the turning for Mumbai. So we'll follow this Mumbai Road till Behera Ghoda. We have finally crossed the third toll plaza, and it is showing another 1 hour to Bangliposhi. And as you can see, the sun has already risen above, but there is some chilly wind, so that's a plus point also. And really we are enjoying the drive, and once we reach Bangliposhi we will update you. We have only 36 kilometers is left to reach Behera Ghoda, and in this route what I find is that the number of fuel pumps is much less. So we have stopped in a Reliance fuel pump and I refueled. So far I have traveled around 200 kilometers, and for 200 kilometers I have taken fuel of 9.26. So for 9.26 liters I have been able to cover 200 kilometers, and that's a very good mileage. And in Odisha the fuel price is also less. It is 99.35. So here also I gained around rupees 5 per liter. So let's go to Bangriposhi. Now we have reached Behera Ghora, and now we will take left from Behera Ghora, and we have already taken the left turn. This is actually the Behera Ghora crossing from where you should take left for Bangriposhi. Remember that. So we have left Behera Ghora, and it is showing 27 kilometers another, and by 9:30 we will be reaching there. We lost around 20 minutes as we fueled up before Behera Ghora and spent some time over there. So it will be another, it's 9:02, so within half an hour we will reach Bangriposhi. And the roads are very good here, so no need to worry at all. In fact, the road from Kolkata to Bangriposhi is in very good condition. That is one of the prime advantage, and I always love to drive on good roads. This is another crossing from where you can go to Balasore also, and we'll go straight towards Bangriposhi. We have almost reached. It's another 12 kilometers only. See the Thakurani Hills, and Bangriposhi is just at the foothill area of those Thakurani Hills. In fact, Bangriposhi is just between Thakurani Hills and Buribalam River. So that particular hills is an indication that we have almost reached, and the Google Maps is also showing another 5 minutes to reach there. So we have almost reached Bangriposhi, and we took from, if I calculate, I started at 5:20 and it's 9:25. So within 4 hours I have reached the destination, in spite of stopping somewhere, such as refueling, having some refreshments, and I have driven at a very moderate speed, between 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. So no need of overspeeding at all also. And the entire road was very good except some few pothole area where my car ran over a pothole in a very bad way. But fortunately nothing has happened. So stay tuned friends for more updates. And
ঠিক আছে ও আরো 1.2 কিলোমিটার
তাই তো, এটা এবার এখানে আনতে পারি
না
Oh, that's a breathtaking view actually. It's a breathtaking view. Oh, that's the Thakurani Hills. We are almost, that is the Shimlipal Hotel and Resort. That is one accommodation. You can stay at that Shimlipal Resort. We have already crossed it, and we'll go straight because our hotel is just after the Koiri Resort. That will be also on the right hand side. So once we cross Koiri Resort, our that Bangriposhi, that is eco stay actually, and we'll be able to reach that eco stay. So we are at Bangriposhi now. if you come to Bangriposhi, one thing you should be clear that you must. That is the Khoiri Resort on the right hand side. There is the Khoiri Resort. That is the Khoiri Resort on the right hand side. That is also another accommodation. Only 3 accommodation is there. So those who are planning to come to Bangriposhi may well in advance book your place. Otherwise accommodation will be difficult, especially during the peak season. Finally, we have reached Bangriposhi and we are going to stay in this particular eco-tourism spot. And you have the rural rustic atmosphere over here. And I have booked this particular hotel. It is not actually a hotel, it is just like an homestay. And you can easily book. I will give you the details how to book about this. They have a dedicated website about this particular homestay. So we'll stay here for one night and now we'll have some breakfast. And as you can see, the tribal family, they are cooking. There the cooking activities are going on. Here the price is 1200 rupees for the small hut which I have taken. And for fooding you have to pay 450 per head, which includes breakfast, lunch and dinner with 2 teas, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So let's check in. That I have booked in Hotel Bangriposhi. It's a small wooden cottage. So let's get inside and see. The charges are 1200 rupees per night. This is how the inside of the cottage is. You have got the basic amenities. You have got fan, some lights, and it is bamboo walled So that is an added attraction. The ceiling is like this. So if you want a rural cottage attraction, you should definitely consider Bangriposhi Hotel. And this is the toilet. This is how the toilet is. So it's bare basic, and in fact I was looking for this type of accommodation. So it's really good.